Want to fix random vertical lines on your Samsung Galaxy screen? First, hold down the power and volume down buttons until the power menu appears, then tap Restart. You'll clear minor glitches causing display artifacts. If that doesn't resolve it, power off and then power on while holding the power button. When the logo appears, release power and immediately press and hold volume down to boot into safe mode. If the lines disappear, uninstall your most recent apps one by one and reboot until you find the offending app. If you'd rather run software diagnostics, open Settings, scroll to Software Update and tap Download and Install to update your firmware. Next, open Settings, select Device Care, tap Diagnostics, and run the screen test to identify anomalies. For a deeper fix, go to Settings, General Management, Reset Settings and Confirm. This restores system defaults without deleting your data. Keep in mind that if your phone was dropped or cracked, persistent lines usually signal a hardware failure. In that case, contact Samsung support or visit an authorized service center to have the display replaced. That's all it takes to fix vertical lines on your Galaxy. If this helped you, tap like, share your screen repair tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.